Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, GAFOOR AHMED SHAIK. I am pursuing my master's in Information Technology and Management with Computer Science Data Analytics concentration. Today, I will be discussing text to speech, transforming text into the human like speech, also known as the TTS technology. TTS technology has come a long way from its early robotic sounding roots to producing highly realistic and natural voices. This transformation has enabled smoother interactions between humans and machines, bridging the communication gap for people with disabilities and enhancing virtual assistants and customer service applications. In this session, we will explore the fundamentals of TTS, its real world applications, challenges in perfecting the technology, recent advancements, and its promising future. By the end of this presentation, you will be having a comprehensive understanding of TTS technology and its role in revolutionizing how we engage with the technology. What is a text to speech? Text to speech (TTS) is a form of assistive technology that converts written text into spoken words, making content accessible to those with visual impairments or reading difficulties. Initially, TTS, also known as text to speech systems, used rule based methods and concatenative synthesis, which relied on piecing together recorded speech segments. These methods resulted in robotic and monotonous speech. With the rise of the deep learning and AI models, text to speech systems now employ neural network based architectures which can generate highly natural and expressive speech. Modern text to speech systems utilize techniques like WaveNet and Tacotron, enabling them to replicate prosody, intonation, and even emotional nuances in speech. Text to speech applications extend beyond assistive technologies, powering voice assistants, virtual agents, and e learning platforms that deliver content more interactively and effectively. Technology that converts written text into spoken words using computerized systems is known as the text to speech system. The purpose of the text-to-speech system is creates audible speech from text inputs, enabling machines to communicate verbally with the humans. Our main intention is to generate natural sounding speech that mimics human vocal patterns and intonations. How will be the TTS works? TTS works in the four steps. The four steps are the first one is text analysis, second one is phonetic conversion, third one is prosody generation, fourth one is speech synthesis. TTS systems convert text to speech through a series of the steps. The first step is text analysis, where the system pre-processes raw text by identifying words, numbers, and abbreviations. For example, DR is converted to doctor, and if it give the number date like a 12th month, 12th day, and 2025 year, it will be converted to December 12th of 2025. Raw text is processed to identify words, numbers, and abbreviations in the first step is known as the text analysis. Next, the phonetics conversion takes place where the system converts words into phonemes, the smallest units of the sound that form speech. These phonemes help break down the text for further processing. In this, the words which will be given to the system, they will break into the small basic phonetics to know the sound of the each word. To know the words are broken down into phonemes. The third step, the prosody generation, follows where rhythm, stress, and intonation patterns are applied to the phonemes. and ensuring that the speech mimics natural human cadence. In this, the feelings of the humans are being triggered in this step, where it will give the, if it is giving, if you are giving the sentence, like if you're giving the sad sentence, it will give in the sad way. If you're giving in the happy way, it will be giving the happy way. In this type, it will be giving the, in this type of sentence, it being giving in the step. And the fourth one is final step is speech synthesis. Uses models like WaveNet and Tacotron to generate the final audio waveform that transfer text into highly realistic human-like speech. In this, the final audio waveform is generated from all the processed elements. And then advanced TTM systems also utilize voice cloning technology, allowing users to create synthetic voices that closely resemble real individuals with minimum training data. Some systems even use prosody transfer to maintain the emotional tone of the original speaker's voice when replicating speech. And then, how will be the TTS, also known as text to speech, is being worked out in the real world applications. In this, TTS technology is transforming multiple industries. One of its most impactful applications is in accessibility. Screen readers provided by text to speech, such as NVDA and JAWS, assist visually impaired users by converting on screen text into speech. Screen readers and assistive technologies for visually impaired users. Then virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant rely on the text to speech to facilitate smooth voice interactions, allowing users to ask questions, set reminders, and perform tasks hand free. Then TTS plays a significant role in navigation systems, providing turn by turn directions to enhance driving safety and reduce dis- distractions. And then in the e learning space, text to speech allows learners to consume educational content in multiple formats, including audiobooks, podcasts, and interactive modules catering to diverse learning styles. And also, the TTS will be used in the business leverage to generate to automated voiceovers for marketing content, making product promotions more engaging and accessible. Healthcare applications use TTS to improve communication between healthcare providers and patients, especially those with the speech impairments. Media organizations now use text to speech to convert text articles into audio, increasing accessibility and enhancing user experience for visually impaired and multitasking audience. How the text to speech will be used in business and customer service. Text to speech is a revolutionization customer service by automating responses and streamlining support processes. IVR, also known as the Interactive Voice Response System, powered by text to speech, handle customer inquiries efficiently, enabling businesses to offer 24 by 7 support. Multilingual text-to-speech solutions allow business to serve global audience and breaking down language barriers and improving customer satisfaction. Virtual agents such as AI-powered chatbots with TTS real-time assistants, reducing the workload for human agents while maintaining consistent service. And then TTS also enhances the voice marketing efforts by delivering personalized, engaging audio advertisements across different platforms. With voice commerce, Emerging customers can now interact with the business through voice commands, making purchases, asking for product information, and even booking services seamlessly. TTLs also enables businesses to generate training content for employees through interactive voice modules, improving learning outcomes in the corporate environments. And then the challenges that have been in the text to speech technologies are Dis- despite in the advancements, text to speech technology still encounters notable challenges. Achieving natural intonation remains difficult, especially when conveying complex emotions such as sarcasm, urgency, or humor. Language complexity introduces variations in pronunciation, accents, and dialects, making it difficult for TTS systems to maintain consistency across different languages. Conveying emotional expressions in speech is another hurdle. Even state of the art of the models struggle to deliver speech with authentic emotional resonance. Processing speed is a significant concern as generating high quality, real time speech with minimum latency requires substantial computational resources. Rise of the deepfake technology poses serious ethical concerns as text-to-speech can be misused for creating fake audio recordings, leading to identity theft and misinformation. Reducing bias in AI-generated voice is essential, as poorly trained models may unintentionally reinforce gender or racial biases. Addressing security concerns around unauthorized voice replication and ensuring ethical TTS usage is critical for maintaining trust in AI-driven applications. The recent advancements that have been taken place in the text-to-speech technologies are WaveNet developed by DeepMind uses deep neural networks to produce speech with unprecedented naturalness and fluidity. With the 99% accurate neural TTS model like VNet background have near human quality. Similarly, Tacotron 2 combines a sequence to sequence model with a neural vocoder, improving the quality of synthesized speech and reduced unnatural pauses. Voice cloning technology now allows users to generate digital voices that closely mimic real individuals with only a few minutes of recording video. Advanced in prosody modeling enables system to inject emotions and variability into speech, making interactions more engaging and relatable. Zero shot learning techniques are helpful to text to speech models generate new voices without extensive training data, increasing adaptability and reducing development time. Latency reduction with models achieving responses time as low as 5 milliseconds makes text to speech viable for real time applications in gaming, interactive media, and virtual assistants. Self supervised learning is enhancing ability of text to speech models to adapt to new voices and languages, making multilingual applications more seamlessly. The future of the text to speech holds exciting possibilities. Hyper personalized voices will allow users to create synthetic voices that reflect their unique preferences and characteristics. Text to speech integration with augmented reality and virtual reality will enable immersive audio experience in virtual environments. Real time voice to voice translations will be bridge language gaps, making seamless cross cultural communication possible. On device processing of TTS will enhance privacy by minimizing re- reliance on cloud based, reducing latency, and ensuring great security. In healthcare, future TTS system will be empower patients with speech and impairments by enabling more expressive and content-aware communication. As TTS continues to evolve, it will drive voice-driven interfaces, shaping the next generation of human-computer interactions and defining accessibility. Advanced emotion recognition capabilities which enable TTS models to adjust speech, tone, and mood-based conversation context, further enhancing user engagement. Ethical considerations in text-to-speech are critical as the technology advances. Voice rights and ownership remain ambiguous when a synthetic voice is based on a real person who retains rights on the voice. The risk of the voice spoofing and deepfake audio threatens to increase cases of identity theft, misinformation, and fraud. TTS technology raises privacy concern around the collection and storage usage of the voice data, emphasizing the need of the consent and the transparency. The growth of the synthetic voices has significant implications for the voice acting industry, potentially reducing the demand for the human voice actors. Collaboration between researchers, developers, and policymakers is necessary to define ethical guidelines for TTS technology and ensure it is used to positive purposes. The conclusion about the TTS is TTS technology has fundamentally changed human computer interaction, enabling machines to understand and respond to natural language in real time. It has removed communication barriers for individuals with disabilities and facilitated broader accessibility in education, entertainment, and business. From automated customer support to content creation, TTS is driving innovation across industries and reshaping user experiences. As research advances, the future systems will offer hyper realistic speech synthesis with enhanced personalization, security, and ethnic safeguards. What are your thoughts on evolving the landscape of TTS? I would like to hear perspectives on its potential impact. Thank you for joining me today. I'm happy to answer any questions you have. Thank you.